Now let's start, children. Here we were discussing about the line.
Sir, we can't see screen, sir.
Now can you see?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is,
sir.
it is
No,
visible
sir.
to
Yes, sir.
somebody. Maybe some others it is a network issue, dear.
Sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
it is visible to others. So we were discussing
sir.
about a line.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I can't
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
sir. I can't see, sir.
Sir, I can't see, sir.
I
Children,
can't.
you are joining
I can see,
maybe
sir.
only call through call. Don't
I can see,
join
sir.
through call. You have to join through the meeting. Okay, virtual meeting is to be taken. Here,
I can't see, sir.
maybe you have to join using video call, rather only calling. Now, here, a line is collection of points, I said, or it is
Sir.
a curve with the property of straightness. In fact, line is not a definable word. We need to turn off your mic. I mean, mute your mic there. Shiva
I can
Basava.
see, sir.
Shiva Basava, mute your mic. Yeah. So here, line is undefinable word. It is again a just curve with the property of straightness. You have drawn curves. In the curves, there will be a like a slack. Without slack, if we have a stretched, it gives an idea of a line segment. The extended in both the direction line segment will give an idea of a line. Line is a collection of points which are all giving the property of straightness. This is how we give the meaning for a line. In fact, line is a undefinable word. Line where you could see length of it being length of a line is not fixed, is not fixed, which means it has infinite length, is
Yes,
not.
sir. Now I can
Now
hear.
it is coming, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Maybe the network issue there. Here, length of a line is not fixed, but it exists. Means it has length, but not exact. It has length, but not fixed length. Whereas for a line, there won't be any thickness. For a line, no thickness or width. Thickness or width. Thickness or width. Generally, a line is represented using either small letter English alphabet like L, M, X, or line is represented using any 2 points on it. You can take any 2 points on it. If at all I say point A and point B, it is called line AB. And it is shown either line L or line AB. To name this entire word line AB, we draw on top of AB like this one line symbol. Okay, or there is no symbol for writing line L. We have to compulsory write line L only. So this is how line is represented. So line is a curve with the property of straightness. Line has length but not fixed length. Line has no thickness or width. Line is represented using small English alphabet. Okay, using small l or small m like that. That is one way. Or line is represented using any 2 points on it. For example, here I have taken point A and point B on it, and I am naming line AB. So these are the important points which you have to write down. Okay, this is the meaning of a line. So write down these meanings, these points. You have got line is a curve. Line is a curve with a property of straightness. Line has length but not fixed length. Line has no thickness or width. Line is represented by using small letter, small English alphabet, or it is represented by using 2 points on it. By using 2 points on it. For example, in this line, point A, point B are taken on it, and we are naming it as line AB. And it is written in symbolically AB on top of it, line symbol. Okay. So a line through 2 points A and B is written as AB. It extends indefinitely both the directions, means in both the directions. Endlessly it is extended. Indefinitely means not definitely, not exactly. It is keep on going. It keep on extending. Endlessly it will be extended. So it contains a countless number of points on it. So it contains countless number of points on it. That's why its length is unfixed. Okay, is it clear? Put a thumbs up if you have written.
Sir, we
Yes.
can't see.
There is some network issue, children. There is some network issue. Tanmay.
Okay, sir.
It is visible to many others, and they have written also, children.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you see
Can
send this
see.
on WhatsApp? Can't see screen, that's why.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa, I'll send it. You can see this in YouTube, children. Then you can certainly write down those points. If at all you are not able to see now, watch in YouTube.
Which website, sir?
I'll put it in your class group. Okay, link I'll put it. Then let's move on to the next point. This we have already done. Intersecting lines. Okay, now intersecting lines. When you know already the meaning of line, line L and line M are both intersecting at a point. That point is P. If two lines meet at a point, then the lines are called intersecting lines.
Please again, sir.
P is a common point where both the lines are crossing each other. Okay, it is like a junction. In your town, there must be a chaurasta. One road goes like this, another road goes like this. straight roads. Okay, it's junction box type. So two lines passing through a common point or passing through a point are called intersecting lines. Two lines passing through a point are called intersecting lines. And what do you call this point? This point is called point of intersection. Point of intersection. So, do we have any two lines drawn will definitely being intersect? Can I have non-intersecting lines? The question comes next that. So, write down this meaning first. If two lines have one common point, then they are called intersecting lines. Or you can write down in your own words. If two lines passing through a common point are called intersecting lines. Here, the point of intersection is the point where they both pass through, or the common point is called a point of intersection. Okay? Then, see, you might have observed when you are going on a train, the rails you have observed, the rails will never meet each other, right? The train will be keep running over them. Okay? So if I take in a certain place, will they meet? Will they cross?
Sir, your mic is not.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you are audible.
If you observe rail on which train runs in a particular place, maybe of 10 meters or 5 meters, will they meet each other?
Sir, your
Will those
mic is
that
muted.
rails meet each other? That rails will never meet each other, right? Similarly, you have the forks or the rods used in a window. The rods used in a window. You might have got the rods used in a window. They are being never meeting each other. What do we call them? They are called parallel lines.
Parallel lines.
Correct. So,
Parallel lines.
yes. If you take the two edges of a
Please
scale,
show again, sir.
if you see the two opposite edges of a scale, they are parallel to each other. This is one edge, another edge is here. These two are opposite edges. If you draw along them a line, you will definitely have two lines being parallel to each other. Isn't it? Like this. Okay.
Intersection lines which
So,
दिखाइए sir.
इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस दिखाना है रोहित. ओके
Yes
मैं
sir.
दिखाऊंगा पॉइंट्स अगर लेना है तो लीजिए पहला. ओके
Sir, which do not
हाँ
intersect, they
ये
are called
स्क्रीनशॉट
parallel.
लीजिए फिर लिख लीजिए. ओके या स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए फिर लिख लीजिए. हो गया. या अब
Yes sir.
पैरेलल लाइंस का मीनिंग देख लीजिए. जब भी हमको एक स्केल का ऑपोजिट साइड्स को मापने से खींचने से एक लाइन बनाने से वो दोनों लाइंस हमको पैरेलल लाइंस होगा. जैसा bars in a window, these bars rods are parallel to each other. Okay, so like rails which are parallel to each other. Okay, lines which do not meet are called parallel lines. Write down that. Lines which do not meet are called parallel lines. Okay, lines which do not meet, means which they do not meet at all, how far ever they extended. Okay. So if two lines A, B and CD are parallel, we use this symbol like this. Line AB parallel. This symbol we use to line CD. Line AB parallel to line CD. We use this symbol. Okay. To show the parallelness. So write down these 2 points. Okay.
Sir, tell in the Kannada, please.
ದೋ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಜಬ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎರಡು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನು ಆ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ನೆಸ್, ಆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
ಯಾ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್, two lines which do not meet are called parallel lines. And you write down up to here. Tomorrow means our Tuesday first period, I will teach you about ray. Okay, so
sir.
the next topic ray I'll teach you in our next class. Okay, this topic I'll teach you in our next class.
Okay, sir.
Take care of yourself.
Sir, please.
Sir, what's the homework, sir?
Sir, homework क्या sir?
होमवर्क आपको रे का बारे में पूछना था, ट्यूसडे दूंगा होमवर्क, आज नहीं है.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, homework.
Sir, you is 6th class. What is the homework, sir?